Hi, welcome to SW Box. I'm Neil and today I've got a new dock for the iPad 4 or the iPad mini. This is retailing at $17.64 and that does include free shipping. There's two colours to pick from, there's a black one and a white one. So we're going to have a look at both and then I'll use my iPad mini to demonstrate that the dock works fine. Okay? I don't have a iPad 4, so I can't really test it, but I'm sure if the iPad mini works, then iPhone 4 will. Okay, so there's two, like I said. I'm going to use the white one, okay, because obviously I've got a white iPad, okay, but this is basically what they look like. And like I said, they're $17.64, so it is really reasonable. Okay, so let's get started. One thing I will tell you is actually it's not compatible for the iPhone 5. The gap isn't big enough. I'll show you that as well, just in case you're wondering. Okay. So that's on, but it's not down enough to charge. Okay. So I can't get that to work at all. But it should be fine with my iPad mini. There we go, charging straight away, no problem. Okay? So that's what it's going to look like. I think it's really stylish, it's nice and light, sets off the iPad mini really well. I'm sure it would do the same for an iPad 4. Okay? So, if you're interested in a dock for your new mini iPad or your iPad 4, then come to SW Box. And don't forget there's links below to this product at the bottom of the video. Okay? Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.